Hello, my name's David Ischek. I'm a technical trainer for Vokera boilers. In this short video, I'll introduce you to the 3 preheat options that are available with our Vibe MAX boiler range. The Vibe MAX combination boiler is supplied with preheat disabled. It's possible to choose one of 3 preheats: preheat 1, standard preheat, preheat 2, touch and go, and preheat 3, smart preheat. I'll show you how to do that now. To select one of the preheat options on the Vibe MAX, ensure that the domestic hot water temperature is not showing in the display, then press the 2 hot water temperature adjustment selectors. pH 0 appears, no preheat, standard preheat, touch and go preheat, smart preheat. When you've made your selection, press the plus button on the left to lock that selection in. I hope this information has been useful. Thank you very much.